What is stopping you from getting that Scrum Master job, and what can you do to bridge the gap? Hello, welcome to the Scrum Chat Room with Dr. Francis Mbunya. If you are a fan to this channel, you will understand that we don't only teach you how to do question and answer on this platform, we also teach you what it takes to succeed, right? Now, one of the biggest gap I've noticed is that the reason why people are not closing the position of the Scrum Master faster is not because they don't understand the theory. It's because they are missing some key foundation that could help them to be able to close that gap like really faster. And today, I want to address some of those gaps based on my experience helping people like you actually get into the position. Not only get into the position, one thing about getting into position, the other stuff is about succeeding. All right. Some of the ground rule, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Returning viewer, like and share. Definitely, if it's helping you, it's going to help someone else, right? All right, let's get down to the key of the day. But before I get to that, for those who are looking forward to become Safe Scrum Master Certified, our next training session will be starting on Monday, the 25th. And for those who registered before Thursday, Thursday is going to be the 20th or so. Yeah, you definitely get a discount for registering early, right? Because if you plan on time, it helps you to cut down costs. So, which is the reason why you're going to get a discount. Okay, perfect. Now, what is stopping a lot of people from getting the Scrum Master position? Couple of things. Number one, a lot of people think that, after the certification, I can do it on my own. I just need to study. I don't have a problem with any other stuff. I just need someone to help me with my resume. The rest I can do it on my own. Okay, that's the first problem. Now, what is wrong with that problem? What is wrong with that problem, or what is wrong with that thinking, is the fact that as a Scrum Master, your role is to practice. You're helping people, right? You're helping them. It's not just about you knowing the framework. It's about you knowing how to use it. And sometimes you need to practice it in order to be able to align with what you already studied in theory. So a lot of people that are having interviews upon interviews upon interviews, and then they are not making it, is because they think, okay, you know what? I don't need help. I can watch a couple of YouTube videos and right. Now, what I've seen, people that actually get help, not just any help, but real help. They're having one offer, two offers. They're trying to make a choice on which of the one they should go. Now, that's the first difference. Now, the second mistake a lot of people are making is that even when you need help, it's like, you know what, my resume is good and I don't really have problem with this. This is just what I need. Now, this is where the problem is. If you actually know what you need, you should get what you need. To be frank, right? When you need help, this is my advice. When you need help, let the person that you trust can provide you the help do an evaluation and tell you what you're gonna need. But then some people say, oh, I know this is good, but they are not able to still break through. And they're like, what am I doing wrong? Right? That is the number two reason. And how can you solve that? By saying, okay, you know what? I need help and I need complete help. And I want you to do an evaluation and tell me where it's really going to help me. Okay, perfect. Now, the third reason a lot of people are not able to close the job is because they want the job. Is it bad to get the job? No. But you need to want more than the job. You need to want a career. That brings you an extra passion. Imagine the reason someone is going to invest a lot of money, go spend several years studying to become a pharmacist, studying to become a medical doctor, studying to become a nurse. It's not just because of the money first, it's because of the passion, right? So you need to have the passion. You want to get into a career, not a job. If you want to get into the job, everything you're doing, you look at it as, oh, I spend a lot of money. Why? Because you want a job. If you want a career, you realize that even if you're spending $25,000, it's not even enough. Why? Because you're able to close that in less than 3 months. So you look at it as an investment that you're putting down. Imagine you starting a business. If you want to start a business that you probably start making profit in the next 6 months, even putting $1 million down, we feel like, oh wow, this is an investment. The mindset is also what is keeping a lot of people on one spot. Now, the last part which I want to talk about today, there are many other reasons, but this is just a key reason. A lot of people are looking for what I'll say, they're looking for what is affordable. They're not looking for what they need, they're looking for what they can afford. Now, there's a very big gap between what you need and what you can afford, right? You agree with me that most often what you can afford is not what you need to close the gap. So you need to be willing to go that extra mile. You need to be willing to invest in yourself. What a lot of people are missing. And now, let me talk about a bit about investing in yourself. When people think about investing, they're thinking like, oh, how many times are you going to sit with me? Oh, how many days will I have? Oh, this is too much. What if I just need just one day? Now, for majority of the people that are having multiples offer in my team, many of them don't even sit with me one-on-one. Not that they don't have the opportunity. They have the opportunity. But just listening to me, like, give them directive and evaluating their resume and say, okay, look, this is what you need to fit, this is what you need. That's all they needed to break through. So most often it's about the value. And people look at, oh, it's 90 days. What if I do two days? What if I do 3 days? What? No. It's not about the number of days. It's not about the number of time. It's about a whole lot. It's about your mind. It's about your mind. If you believe I'm investing $10,000 and I did just 1 day to get that, you're going to get it. So stop over-calculating. If you want it, you want it. If you don't want it, you don't want it. And I'm not saying this to kind of, I'm not doing this, or I'm not saying this to kind of put you away. I'm giving you what you need to succeed. Look, if you want to succeed, invest in the right resources. Even for those who are those who are already in the Scrum field. It's not just about Scrum. There's so many opportunities there. You should fit yourself in a community that can help you grow. Not just you going to the job. There's little you can learn just about your position. There's a whole lot. Now, in my team, I also work with other teams. And when I was moved to work with other teams, it was completely a new, different environment compared to what I was already doing. So, if you want it, check the description. I've put a video. I probably an offer I had for people that wanted to join my team up to the 15th of April. Now we are somewhere in 19, and I'm giving an extension of 2 days. I'm gonna put that video down and put a new one up for those who are interested in getting real coaching. If you're not interested, the first thing for you to even reach out to me is to watch that video. Why? Because I want to help people that have the right mindset. I want to help people that want it, not people that want somewhere that, oh, what if I can call you, I can ask you a question. That's not what you need to succeed. What you need to succeed is the mind. It's the mind of belonging. It's the mind of winning. When you have that mind, every other thing that is going to follow. All right. I'll see you in our next video. And do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like, right? And drop your comments, right? If you have questions, every stuff, drop your comment. And if you actually watch the video, you're probably going to see more information on how to reach me. Okay? Have a great day.